Good morning, Moray Rabotai. Be'ez Hashem, Mincha this Friday night is going to be before 7. We're getting a little bit earlier, so 6:45. Be'ezat Hashem is going to be Mincha. Make sure to please be on time. Halachot of Muktze, not yet, soon. Halachot of Muktze, we were discussing a little bit of it, but one of the general rules of Muktze is that just like it's asur to move an object and to handle an object, to move it from one place to another, it's also asur to move part of an object even if you're not moving the entire object. So let's say, as an example, a person has an electrical appliance that has a cord, and he says, I'm going to just move the cord. I'm not moving the rest of the item. It's still considered to be muktze. Even if part of the item is being moved, it's considered muktze. In the case of the Gemara's times, the Gemara discusses a case which is relevant to maybe Chevra Kadisha, the concept of moving a limb of a person who's deceased. When a person's not alive anymore, he's considered to be in the category of muktze, and it has very, very specific rules. One of the rules is you're not allowed to move even an arm. Even if you're not moving the whole body, moving just an arm, just a leg, is also something that would be considered to be muktze under those circumstances, because even if you don't put a full moving, partial moving is also a problem. However, touching something that is muktze is not asur. And this is a thing that a lot of people don't realize. You're allowed to touch muktze. Moving is what the prohibition is. Handling is the prohibition. Touching is not prohibited for any type of muktze, except for one exception, and this is an obvious one, an egg. And the reason an egg is an exception is because when you touch an egg, it moves. It's round, it moves. So by definition, when you touch it, it's going to move. But everything else that remains stationary, when you touch it, there is no prohibition in the touching. Moving is what's asur, and even if it's partial moving. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.